In the wise words of Alan Watts, you are a function of what the whole universe is doing in the same way that a wave is a function of what the whole ocean is doing. Picture this. Everything in existence, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, is interconnected, each influencing and being influenced by the other. This intricate web of existence forms the bedrock of the law of cause and effect. So, let's delve deeper into this fascinating concept of cause and effect that governs our universe. Cause and effect, or karma, as it's often referred to, is a simple yet profound concept. At its core, this universal law posits that every single action, every thought, every word spoken has a corresponding reaction. Like throwing a pebble into a pond, the ripples are inevitable, reaching out far beyond the point of impact. Let's break it down further. Consider a humble seed. It's not just a seed, but a potential tree, a potential forest, a potential habitat. Planted in the right conditions, given sunlight and water, it grows. This is cause and effect in action. The seed, cause, given the right conditions, becomes a tree, effect. But the law of cause and effect isn't confined to the natural world. It permeates our daily lives, our relationships, our societies. Think about a kind word spoken to a stranger. That's a cause. The effect, a smile, a brightened day, perhaps even a chain of kindness passed on to others. And on a grander scale, our collective actions as a society have far-reaching effects. The choices we make about how we live, how we consume, they all have consequences, they all set off ripples. Our actions today determine the world of tomorrow. But the law of cause and effect isn't a tool of judgment, it's a tool of understanding. It's not about good or bad, right or wrong. It's about acknowledging the interconnectedness of all things, the intricate dance of actions and reactions that shape our world. Alan Watts once said, "You are something the whole universe is doing in the same way that a wave is something that the whole ocean is doing." Every action you take, every word you speak, every thought you think, is a wave you're sending out into the ocean of existence. So what waves do you want to create? What ripples do you want to send out into the world? Because, remember, every action we take, no matter how small, sets off a chain reaction in the universe. Now, you might wonder, how does this law affect me personally? Well, let me tell you, the law of cause and effect is not just some abstract concept floating around in the universe. It's a tangible principle that directly influences your everyday life. Imagine your choices, your actions, as tiny ripples on the surface of a still pond. Each decision you make, each cause you set in motion, is like dropping a pebble into that pond. The ripples spread out, interacting with others, creating a beautiful, intricate pattern of effects. In this grand dance of cause and effect, you are not a passive observer. You, my friends, are the choreographer. Each day, with every choice you make, you mold the universe around you. Whether you choose to smile at a stranger, to lend a helping hand, or to follow your passion, you are setting causes into motion, which in turn shape the effects you experience. Alan Watts once said, "The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance." So embrace the power of your choices. Understand that your actions, no matter how small, have the potential to create vast waves of change. As Ram Dass said, "The most important aspect of love is not in giving or the receiving, it's in the being." Remember, your actions are your signature to the universe. So how do we navigate this intricate web of cause and effect? Let's ponder on that. The key is understanding that every action we take, every thought we nurture, ripples out into the universe, creating a chain of events, however unseen. Embracing this law is about living mindfully, with a heightened sense of awareness about our actions and decisions. Think of it as being a conscious participant in the grand tapestry of life. It's about recognizing that our choices matter, and they can be a powerful force for positive change. Remember, it's not about fearing the law of cause and effect, but about harnessing its power. As Alan Watts famously stated, you are a function of what the whole universe is doing. And as Ram Dass beautifully put it, our interactions are an opportunity to work on our consciousness. In the grand design of the universe, you are both the painter and the canvas. So choose your actions wisely, for they will shape your world.